Aviation serves basic human needs of connecting with others, exploring and discovering new things around the world, trade and having fun.
There's a cost to all of those great benefits of aviation, and that's the impact it has on the environment, so we need to solve that problem.
We want to change the industry. We want it to be different for the next generation.
Everyone in the value chain of aviation needs to be part of the solution.
Many different factors will contribute to decarbonising aviation: battery, hydrogen, other types of aircraft technology. In the nearer term, sustainable aviation fuel is our best bet.
Sustainable aviation, the challenge itself, it's like a huge, big, heavy chain. You might be able to lift up like one linkage of that chain yourself, but we need to lift up all the linkages of that chain. And so that involves partnership.
Trinity College Dublin and SMBC Aviation Capital have collaborated to create a new state-of-the-art sustainable aviation fuel research facility. It's based in SMBC Aviation Capital's headquarters in Dublin.
So SAF is a sustainable fuel designed to replace conventional aviation fuel.
SAF can be made from anything from used cooking oil to forestry residue, green hydrogen.
The idea is just, instead of using crude oil to make your aviation fuel, is to use these sustainable feedstocks to make an aviation fuel that is a part of like a circular carbon economy.
Sustainable aviation fuels must be essentially identical to fossil aviation fuels, just not using fossil sources anymore. Because it's an airworthiness matter for the aviation OEMs, they must have complete confidence that it works at all conditions, at all spaces in the world, with all of their equipment. They need a lot of information to make that assessment. Okay, so that's what our laboratory helps with.
There's a huge gap between actually developing these fuels and getting them certified and deployed, because we just need a little small fuel sample, and we're able to do all these different individual tests on it to try and understand the quality of the fuel and how likely it is to pass that evaluation. The main aim of it is just trying to speed up that process for all those developers to get their fuel actually certified.
It takes a very long time for a potential SAF to become a certified SAF that can then be mass produced and used. So that the fact that there's a state-of-the-art research facility there that's also connected to us and everyone we know in the industry and our network will make that happen faster.
In Europe, every new sustainable aviation fuel that is created will need to be validated and come through that lab. We're at the forefront, the cutting edge of the evolution of this new technology that will transform our industry.
So this is a new arena, a new topic. The facility allows for the training of expertise. Whereas it gave us capacity to do research, it gave us a shop window to build future collaborations and effort sharing initiatives with SMBC Aviation Capital, but also with other actors.
What I really love about this work and the work in the SAF lab is that you're working on something on the molecular level, but the application feels very close. There's a direct feedback loop between you make a fuel, you test it, you see where you need to make adjustments or whether it's suitable or not.
I'm really happy I had the chance to join this group, and you can see we achieve a lot of milestones. Personally, I feel like I learned a lot, and now I'm able to contribute more to this sustainable aviation fuel, so I'm happy.
In Ireland, we can be the knowledge centre in Europe, if not globally, for SAF, and be recognised for that.
SMBC, with others, have shown leadership by jumping in first, recognising where knowledge is needed, and then organising to share resourcing to provide the new knowledge. Trinity College Dublin put a lot of effort and resourcing into the lab. Research Ireland have provided the equipment. Ryanair support us in the same way. SMBC provide the venue, the lab, and then a lot of stakeholder engagement.
Our shareholder is invested in the decarbonisation of the aviation sector as well. There's long-term investment required in order to scale SAF, so there's a lot of risk attached.
There's this great industry that connects people, makes people happy, that supports good in the world, trade. It's precious.
We can't just sit around and hope for a greener future. We need to be part of building that future.